one has to go through life unprotected. Basically, you have to seek your own way. People can show you up different ways. You can follow them, don't follow them, but at a certain point you see you're going to have to seek your own way. And one essential part of it is being vulnerable, being unprotected. Because at the end of the day, the search is going to be your search, it's going to be your path, it's going to be your way that you walk, and just you are able to walk it. Not I am able to walk it, not your parents or friends, just you, to find out who you are. And if you're protected, what you're doing basically is holding your hands up and trying to hold something together to not show it. Well, basically based on fear. But if you're protected and not showing what is there, what is also part of you, you cannot walk your own path completely. Whatever is inside of you needs to come up. So take the guards down, don't resist, give space, and allow it to be here, regardless of how shameful, how sad, how much guilt there might be. Let it be here. Let it be here just with yourself at this moment. But also let it be there with friends, with family. Because life is celebration, and celebration can just take place when you are celebrating, you being yourself. And I know you maybe have heard so many sentences like, you're not your thoughts, you're not your emotions, and so on. Yes, that's true. But you cannot just bypass in being protected, and being not yourself, trying to hold it together, pushing it down. You are not those thoughts, you're not those emotions, but you have to live through them in order to see it. So please don't go with the thought of, I am not my thoughts, I am not my emotions. If there's still stuff inside your life which you're suffering from, which you're suppressing, what are you afraid of, what are you ashamed of? Well, when you cannot just be in a room and say it out loud without being comfortable, well, guess what? You still are those thoughts, still are those repressed emotions, which just want to be felt. If you cannot be with your friends and just say it out loud, you still are those thoughts because you don't allow them to let go. And in letting go, you have to give space, take the hands out, not being protected so they can leave. So you can also say them with friends, with family, with strangers, with anybody. And in doing so, they're gonna leave. But all the suppressed emotions are gonna come up and they need to be felt. Because just in feeling them in totality, they also gonna leave totally. So totality is the key in everything. Not to bypass, not to move around, to live through it, to say it, to show up and be as honest and genuine as possible in this moment right now. You don't have to do it for your whole life. Remember this one. You just have to do it one single time, and this is right now. And once this moment is gone, just the next one, right now. This is not your whole life. You project your whole life into the future from here, where you are, into over there, into the future. But this is not real, that's an imagination. You just have to do it right now, one single time in this moment. And the next moment again. But just in this moment. Just being vulnerable for one single moment. Just now. And that's being in a state of no protection. Not suppressing, not pushing down, not trying to control anything. You don't get control over anything anyway. Just let go, be vulnerable, become soft. That's the only way to celebrate yourself, to be yourself and to enjoy yourself. Love you.